Hi there. I want to do a quick Amazon KDP income report for today. It's 5:16 p.m. As you can see, just refreshed it. February 9th, 2023. 11 ebooks, 28 paperbacks, and one hardback book. And by the way, I have less sales than most people, but my price is higher because I'm in nonfiction. That's one of the benefits of being in nonfiction. Um, and higher page count, at least 30,000 words would be good and above. Anyhow, $346.93 from 39 orders right now. Um, Let me share with you a quick video of the day as well. Okay, that was just quick KDP report check because I like to do that once in a while. And let's talk about how to improve your book quick and easy. Okay, what are the quick ways to improve your book? Number one, book cover. That's probably the fastest ways to do a quick revision, okay, to improve your book. This is for authors and publishers for all genres. Number two, it will take you longer, but the book content. Okay, I mean let's just do the easier way. Book description. Okay, you can change the book description as well. Book cover. Second thing is book description. Okay, now they have a new thing called A plus content. Okay, I've actually just haven't really fully maximized on that. I want to take a look into that along with my team and designer as well, and look into potentially going into A plus content. But I have heard people say that A plus content it was very helpful for them, and one of the reasons for their success. Okay, so definitely you can improve your book description by doing A plus content as well. Okay, go check it out. How to improve your book quick and easy? What else? Book cover, book description. Okay, the third one's not gonna be an easy way, in my opinion, but it's gonna be the most important way. So we'll list it here. Book content. Okay, what's inside the book? Okay, what's the essence of the book if it's a nonfiction book? What's the essence of the book if it's a fiction book? What's the essence of the book if it's low content, no content book? Okay, what's the essence of the book if it's a poetry book? Okay, what's the essence of a book if it's a journal? Just improve the book, okay? The inside, the content, as best as possible. If it's a low content, no content, better designs, unique, original, something different. It has its own thumbprint in the marketplace as best as possible, instead of just copying everything exactly from where you bought it from. From what I'm understanding, people are realizing now, you got to be original as from the get go now, okay, more than ever. So people didn't know, okay, nobody didn't know, okay. So, but it's important more than ever, just original content. And there are platforms out there you can test if you hire writers, like Grammarly. If you do premium content, you can find out the plagiarism score. Generally speaking, if it's single digits, I'm cool with it. Ideally, 5% and under, but single digits fine. But if it gets to double digits, 10% and above, I'm going to ask them to, hey, what's going on? And there's proof, web page by web page. Hey, this comes similar to this page. So if it's 10% or above, I ask them to fix it, and I show them the proof, and the writer has to fix it until it becomes single digits and it's original as much as possible. Again, this is not a main big issue, but once in a while it may occur. Okay, so make sure the book content is original as possible. And there's other now people talking about Chat GPT and what or something like that. And there's I heard there's also softwares out there that you can test if it came from that robot and whatnot. I mean that source, okay, and whatnot. Okay. Anyhow, how to improve your book quick and easy. Number one, book cover. Okay, do another book cover, get another book cover image. How do you improve a book cover? Maybe, get another image. Work with a different designer maybe. Or work with your designer again. Okay. Book description. We talked about A plus content. And just make it more interesting. Okay. And just make it more interesting and more thorough and more structured, more organized, more easy to read. Make it flow. Okay. Book content. Just improve it overall in general. Number 4. 1 second. Okay, so number 4, how to improve your book quick and easy. Book advertising. Okay, that is important. And people seem to just put up their books and move on, and that's fine. But I think in this day and age, it is essential to learn, more importantly, do your advertising. Advertise and learn together. Learn and take action together. It's not enough just to learn. I learned that from Ty Lopez. He says, learn and take action. And it's so true. Taking action is important. Learning is important. But you need to do both to make it really important, both, okay? It's just like knowledge is not enough. Knowledge plus action is power, right? Knowledge plus potential. Knowledge plus action, okay? So, book advertising. Next, how to improve your book quick and easy. Book cover, book description, content, book advertising. I would say start with Amazon ads first. Since the book, for majority of people who are selling the books, is going to be on Amazon. So figure out Amazon. The good news, at least if you want to learn how to do Amazon ads, if you want to learn from me in a thorough way, I do have a course. Also, an email newsletter, by the way. If you click the link below, check out my book advertising course about Amazon ads, because I do have experience doing Amazon ads, a lot of Amazon ads and so forth, okay? Okay, I'm sure there's somebody out there who did more, okay? Everywhere. But I do have experience. Hundreds of niches, tons of ads. Okay, but you don't have to do that as much as me, because I'm going to break it down what I learned. If I had to start all over again, how would I simplify? How would I start all over again and do the ads in a simplistic, minimal, organized way? Okay, because when you have hundreds of books, eventually you want to simplify. You don't want to do tons of 20 ads per book. No, you don't need to. You can do like 2 to 5, maybe max. Okay. Book advertising. Now, 5th, last tip of the day: how to improve your book quick and easy. Maximize your book platforms. Okay. So I would recommend you to, what people say in the industry, go wide. Okay. Don't just depend on one platform. And no disrespect to any platform, of course. My favorite, everyone's big platform is Amazon, okay? But also, if you're not, uh, if you're fiction, it seems like they like to go exclusive because there's benefits to that Kindle Unlimited, and it's understandable. But if you're not in that specific genre or whatever, that's proven, going wide is very important. Maximize your book platforms. There's all platform and directly. I would say go direct as much as possible. Although there are third parties out there that are great as well to simplify it, like Draft to Digital and whatnot. It used to be Spanish words, but they partnered up now. And but I recommend go direct as much as you can. And the other platforms you cannot, go with the third parties. Okay, the aggregators, they're great too. Okay, what are the main platforms? Amazon, other than Amazon, Barnes and Noble, Kobo, Google, and so forth. Okay, Apple iBooks as well. Okay, and you can go directly with all those, actually, which I do. Okay, all those, and then afterwards you can do aggregators if you want. Those are the main ones. Okay, but and then you can use aggregators as well. So, anyhow, How to improve your book quick and easy. Book cover. Improve your book cover. Improve your book cover. Improve your book description. Okay, A+ content. Improve your book content. Okay. Maximize it. You can put recommended resources, put links inside to your free newsletter and whatnot. Improve your book advertising. Okay, most people are not doing advertising. I notice authors and publishers and whatnot. They get intimidated by it. Don't be worried. You spend tons of money probably going to wherever, like a Starbucks maybe, for example. Okay, and then fifth, maximize book platforms. Go wide on all platforms out there. And go directly. So you have multiple streams. There's one, another one big platform got a shout out, okay? Ingram Spark. Okay? Very important. Ingram Spark. But you use Ingram Spark if you don't, make sure to uncheck expanded distribution on Amazon. And also, another platform you can think about is I used to call it multiple autopilot platforms, but just book platforms is audiobook platforms like acx.com, findawayvoices.com. Those are platforms as well. So maximize, turn that one ebook into an maximum mediums, ebook, paperback, hardback, audiobook through multiple platforms by going wide, including audiobook platforms like ACX and Findaway Voices. To do that, don't do exclusive, non-exclusive on ACX. And yeah, that's it for right now. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn more about book publishing, self-publishing, click the link below the video. I'll teach you more info in the future. Take care. Bye.